In the given diagram, square represents men. Square is men. Triangle represents teachers. Circle represents postgraduates. And wonderful. And so if you think about this, square is men, circle is postgraduates. This part is their part of the circle and of square. That will be men postgraduates. This number 5 is teachers and men. So men teachers. So different areas correspond to different definitions. This 4 is postgraduates who are not men, who are not teachers. So women postgraduates who are not teachers. Right? So each region number 1, 2, each of those, which numbered area represents male teachers who are not postgraduates. Male teachers. This is male. This is teachers. This is postgraduates. We want something that has male and teachers but does not include postgraduates. So we completely need to forget this. Nothing here, because anything here will be postgraduates. Male and teacher, that will be region number 5. This kind of a diagram is called a Venn diagram. This topic comes under the topic of set theory. We're learning more and more about this. Any collection of items is called a set. Set theory includes analysis of different areas, different regions. This type of diagrammatic representation is called a Venn diagram. Region 5 is male teachers who are not postgraduates.